Today we look at Kling O1, the brand new creation tool of Kling AI. It's the video model of Nano Banana and finally solves the problem of AI video generation consistency. You don't believe me? Let's go in. So first go on klingai.com. Here you have a short preview. From vision to screen, Kling AI delivers all what you need. Hit try it now, and after signing up you have this overview page where you have access to all features of Kling AI. In this video we will focus on the new update Kling O1. So here we are at the interface of Kling AI O1. As you can read in the description here, Kling O1 does it all. It finally solves the problem of video generation consistency. So let's hop right into it. We have different features here. We have the image generation and the video generation. Let's try the video generation first. Make sure you have the O1 model selected. And here you have different settings to choose from. We have the professional mode, we have a duration, we have the ratio, and we have the outputs on videos. We let all settings on default here. We just hit our prompt here. Santa flying over a snowy town at night. Gentle snowfall. And we just hit create. And it is finished. It took like a minute. Let's look at it. And as you can see, O1 delivered. High quality, no deformation, cinematic, awesome. We can now do further adjustments to the video, like lip sync, AI sounds. We can publish it, we can download it with or without watermark. We can also edit and recreate it for lower credits, which is very nice. You can also add images, videos or elements. There is a library of ton of characters and other stuff you can use, like people, animals and so much more. We can also upload our own elements here. So we have this red code, center code here, center code. We can use a tag, like a costume. Because we use the tag customs, we need additional images from different angles to generate even better results. We can just use AR for it. Click on it. He's now analyzing the image and creating multiple angles for it. I never saw these features on other tools. This is very handy, very fast. Let's choose this one, confirm. Now we can hit the description for the cloth or just auto-generate it. He's analyzing the images again, and seconds later we have a perfect description for it, and we hit generate. Now we have our element in our own library to use it further. So now we are at the image generation. Just check if you have the O1 selected. We have 2K HD quality here. We want a 60:9, and there is also a mode to save credits. If you activate the unlimited mode, it's a bit slower, but you save credits. So now we enter the prompt: a man in a coffee shop drinking a coffee, wearing the center code in the image. The interface is so easy to use. We just hit generate. Kling O1 supports uploading up to 7 reference images, which is just awesome. So you can place multiple images into one scene. But first we have the results here. Here are some video examples. Drinking a coffee in a bar. Walking in New York. The video consistency is great. Here also standing at a beach, very nice. And it's just perfect, exactly that what we wanted. The center code is on point with all details, very nice, very easy. Another example for a subject replacement, let's use this one as reference. And we have the prompt to replace the main character with an anime Christmas elf, keep pose, motion and facial expression. Hit generate. And Kling O1 just delivered again, very nice. We can now go from here to generate videos or upscale. First, let's create our scene. We want a cozy Christmas living room with a warm fireplace. Hit generate. Kling O1 is so fast, it took like 10 seconds to generate this high quality image. We can now just hit apply here to add it to our interface. Let's upload more elements. So we have this prompt: a man standing in the scene of image, wearing the center code with sunglasses in pizza glasses and holding the flower in rose. Let's hit generate. And Kling O1 just delivered again. We have our red code, we have our rose, we have our pizza sunglasses. It's just perfect. We have additional edit functions here. We can remove things. We can choose the brush size. And we want to remove the rose. Click remove, and he perfectly removed the rose with the hand. To demonstrate the consistency, we have cut out an image of the video from before. We want a full face reference, and we have the prompt: use the person of the picture and put him on a Christmas market in the town at night. we hit generate, and this is just crazy how accurate the consistency is. You see on the left the original one, on the right the result, and it's just great. Another prompt in a coffee bar drinking a coffee, also just perfect. Here are the examples in video. The consistency is great. High quality, no deformation, very nice. So if you liked it, click the link in the description to try Kling O1 now. See you in the next one.